Manage your property effortlessly with Stay4You's Maintenance Schedule app. Track tasks, set reminders, and keep everything running smoothly at your fingertips. Welcome to the Stay4You Maintenance Schedule app, a smarter way to manage your property upkeep. Designed for efficiency and ease, this app lets you schedule, track, and manage maintenance tasks in just a few taps. Start by adding maintenance activities like cleaning, repairs, or inspections. Specify details like dates, times, and priority levels. Never miss a deadline. Use custom notifications to stay ahead of routine and urgent tasks. Mark tasks as in progress or completed to maintain a clear view of your to-do list. View your schedule in a calendar or list format to plan effectively. Whether you're managing one property or multiple, the Stay4You Maintenance Schedule app simplifies your workflow, saves time, and ensures your properties stay in top condition. Download it today and experience stress-free property management. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stay4you.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.